Anna, you deal with many clients whose lives are out of balance and they just can't seem to get back on an even keel. How do you treat these clients, and how do you use the concept of rebalancing?
Well, when a client initially comes into my office, we do traditional talk therapy. But after about the third session, if not sooner, I'm able to help them to push past that pain. The objective here is for them to not sit with the pain and continue to fuel that negative charge and continue to give life to it and feed into it. We give them solutions by helping them to change their perception. And by doing that, I use Reiki as well as traditional talk therapy. The person will have an invasive thought come up, and I help them to come up with a good thought. So each time that person has a negative thought, they will begin to replace that thought with a good memory. And in time, that old memory, that old haunting memory of a past wrong done to them will lose its charge, its negative effect on them. And then I proceed with a 30-minute session of Reiki healing, which will help break up all the energy blockages that are stored within their system.